Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, first thing you should do is to open up your Excel sheet. Then what you're going to do right now is to select the columns, or where do you want to put the drop-down list. So I'm going to select all these cells right here. Then I'm going to select from data and choose from this area right here, data validation. Click on it, then click on data validation, and there, as you can see, it will open up this tab right here. Now what you're gonna do is to click on this arrow, then choose list. Now you have to put the source of your list. Now I have created my source in another sheet, so I'm gonna click on this icon right here. Then I'm going to my second sheet and copy all these values. Then click on this icon back, and here, as you can see, the list will contain options from these cells. So I'm gonna click on OK, then go back to the first sheet and click on this arrow right here, and as you can see, I have my own options, and you can choose the option for many times as you want, and you can simply use this option in order to do many things and finish your work. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.